within moments of even getting in the water. Boom. Perfect eater size catfish. Nice. Feels like it.
Dude, our stringers tonight could be ridiculous. Oh.
You got a net?
No, I don't. Do you have one?
No.
Yeah. Nice. Pretty, man. Beautiful.
Almost have him.
There he goes.
Is that a water moccasin?
Probably.
Person, and then they turn around and left.
Catch any today?
Nope. None.
How about you?
What's that?
Catch any today?
No, just one. one more maybe. Might do.
What does that mean? We always go scale of 1 to 5. Higher the number, the bigger the threat. We're at a 4 out of 5. And this is for wind, tornado potential for additional warnings, flash, flooding that could take effect later today and into tonight due to how much rain we've already put down.
Don't worry, guys. I'm here.
Alright.
How about that?
Nice.
All we do is keep winning.
My heart has never beat it out of my chest since I saw a tornado when I was like 5. I'm just gonna say.
Hey, we made it. Like, we did it. Oh, man.
So here's our tent. Here's the tree that fell. Just by that fork in it up there, it stopped it. And I mean, that would that have hit the tent? Let's see. I mean, yeah, dude. I mean, the big part would have clipped the corner, but where it branches off, that would have, bam. All because of this little guy. So this tree just fell down. Boom. There's our tent. Wow. And then this tree fell down. So awesome. Found a shoe. And then this tree got clipped.
No way.
Spam. Like that. And this whole thing fell down and it was like bam, 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 bam. And we were like, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. You're not supposed to pee in the tent, Tony.
Well, I drank a lot of beer last night. What can I say, y'all?
The water's rising. We have to move everything up.
It's like maybe 15, 10 feet away.
It turns out it does make a sound.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure it makes a sound. It sounds like a shotgun blast going off, and then thunder. It's quite intimidating, actually.
It almost has one diving under their bed.
So to speak. Yeah.
Metaphorically speaking.
Oh. I'm going full height here.
Nice. Nice.
Now he can keep swinging, and then
How stable are you?
Pretty stable.
is it gonna go into the
Maybe. I don't think. I think it's
Are
gonna
you
fall.
ready?
I think it's gonna fall
Are
off.
you recording?
Yep. Oh. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Yeah, you had a good point. Probably don't want to launch it into the tent. Let me see. Oh, dude. That's a T-Rex tooth.
Let's talk about a little bit more toward the future here while we're in a little bit of a lull of our strongest storms we've seen so far this morning. Know that we're taking the precautions heading out. Look at your screen. We've already had about 7 or 8 severe thunderstorm warnings. Lost track about an hour ago.
I have no idea where I'm going. Stay tuned.
Had a 50-50 shot. Alright, so the cooler needs to go in the back, but this hook can go on the trailer.
Woo!
But we're not going forward, so we should at least go back to where we can be away from trees.
What do you think, the parking lot?
Yeah.
Normally, there'd be people all fishing here. But a tree fell down at the road. It's blocking us from leaving. So we got nothing better to do but go fishing. Asian carp. Oh, it's a big head. Get him. Get him, Matt. Get him! I definitely got it.
Oh, look at it. Damn.
Whoa! That's a beauty.
Hell yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
Use the dark side of the force. Within moments of having the bow in his hand, he got a gar. Welcome to the dark side. What do you have to say about that?
First time ever hitting fish with a bow, so pretty psyched.
That was pretty quick.
I know.
Get him, Tony! Oh! Hold it up a little more out. No, you're good. That's a drum, man. You're good to go on that. You think it was a striper or something?
I thought, yeah.
That's what I thought too.
Can we eat those?
Yeah.
Look at that, boys!
That's a different species. It's a buffalo. Whoa. Buffalo. Woo!
Right in the head.
Yeah, iced him, dude. Nice.
Wait, no. All I got was that one. Yeah, I haven't gotten one of these.
Oh, okay. So what's this?
Carp.
It's an Asian carp.
Common carp. Dude, you got the hat trick. 3 different species. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh yeah. I haven't gotten that.
Tony does too. He's got the carp drum gar. So this is like our native species of carp. These were introduced like way back in the day. And those are recent ones. Iced them.
Matt.
With of a vehicle.
They had to come and cut us out of here, guys. Look at that. That tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 87 years old. Wow.
Oh, y'all. Free. Packed up. Out of here. First stop, gas. Second stop, food. Third stop, home. Well,
Strip club.